In other news tonight at 5 o'clock, a Ripley County teenager is now charged with murdering his little sister and brother. The killings took place in Osgood last year. The prosecutor told our own Rich Van Wyk tonight he's never seen anything as disturbing as this.
The suspect was just 13 years old when investigators say he murdered his much younger siblings. The Ripley County prosecutor wants him tried as an adult in criminal court. Court documents compiled by state police and prosecutors Rick Hurdle
sets forth some pretty awful and terrible facts.
The killings occurred on a quiet Osgood street inside the family's home. 23-month-old Desiree McCartney was found unconscious and later died. 81 days later, her 11-month-old brother Nathaniel Ritz was also found dead. Autopsies couldn't identify the cause of their deaths. Months later, relatives pointed police at their older 13-year-old brother.
There were several remarks that were made to police officers about freeing the siblings from some sort of hell.
According to court records, the 13-year-old later told people he put a blanket over Nathaniel's head and a towel over Desiree's head. When interviewed by police, court records say he was crying and said he had to do it. He didn't want them to have to live in the hell he did. When asked what was hell for him, he replied, chores. Maybe
the doctors who examine him ultimately can shed some light on what's going through his mind.
Hurdle wants the now 15-year-old tried as an adult in criminal court, where if found guilty, he would be sentenced to decades in prison. If judged guilty as a juvenile, the teenager could be set free in 3 years.
If we base future behavior on past behavior, then we potentially look at additional problems and of great magnitude.
The teenager will be back in juvenile court for a judge to decide whether he is tried as an adult in criminal court and whether he is mentally competent to stand trial. In Ripley County, Rich Van Wyk, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.